Hello, I'm back, and as you can see, the chicken is going quite well. And I don't know what to say, but what am I doing? That is really good chicken. So now, see, the chicken is quite ready on the outside. I've turned it lower, as you can see. So I'm going to be starting to slow cook. If you're unsure, you get one and you cut it in half. I don't know if you see. And then if it's pink on the inside, then it's not cooked. If it's white on the outside, like mine is, then it's cooked. In the inside. So you can get these from Coles, the meat area. It tastes really, really good. Don't get me wrong. And just good luck trying to eat it. Cook it. I don't care what you do. Just don't get yourself hurt, okay? Bye.